Hello everyone, Mr. Cat is back. So, I decided to create a series where I will do the CSWA SolidWorks certifications. Uh, Problems. So, there are around 250 problems for this certification on the SolidWorks website, and I decided to do all of them and upload them one problem at a day. So, uh, here we have this drawing here on the right. We have an object which has mainly two pieces, the big bottom piece and the top piece, and the bottom piece has this hole here. So, how can we read this? Let's read a little bit before we jump in. I rather have a good plan than jumping in. So the width is 60, and the height of this big one is 30. And the height of this old object is 75, and the circle's diameter is 12, and the circle is left of the right part 16, and then it is 16 is the height of the circle's center point. And then we have these pieces. Luckily their heights are the same, but their widths are a little bit different. One thing we need to check out is here we don't know the spacing of this, so we can do like a simple math from that, which is 30 plus 12 will be the width of this. So my game plan is I'm planning on using the top surface and doing this piece first, and then I'm gonna extrude it up to 30, and then I will do this one, this bigger one, this smaller one here. Then I will do this one, and then this one I will all extrude them to top. At the end, I will add this extrusion, this circle here. If that makes sense, let's start drawing it. We're gonna create a new SolidWorks document. I'm gonna click a part. Here, down there, don't forget to change from IPS to MMGS. Awesome. So we're gonna choose a top plane. I have some macros that help me draw it faster, so I will definitely use those. So for example, I have Shift R as a center rectangle. As we know, the height is 28 and the width is 60. Perfect. Why? This is 60 and this is 28. Then I have another shortcut for extrude, and we're gonna extrude it up to 30. Perfect. So we're gonna click here. So we're gonna build more. So we're gonna do this up here. We're gonna click a new sketch. We're gonna start from this corner. We're gonna come here. We know the height is 20 from here. And we know that the difference between this point and this point is 12. Perfect. So we're gonna do extrude, but how high we're gonna go? We have to do a simple math here, which is, do you see the height of combination of these two rectangles, which is 20, and the height of this one is 12. So what is 20 equals x plus y, x plus 12. So if we call this x, the x will be 8. So the height will be 8. Perfect. We're gonna click here. We're gonna create another sketch. I have another macro for the rectangle. Uh, then here it will be 20 plus 12. Here you have to pay attention to the arrows. On the left, the 20 is in the middle and the arrows are pointing out. But in this 12, the arrows are pointing from this line to this line, and it extends to 12 here as you check it out. So which will be 20 plus 12. That will be the width of it, and the height will be, as we already know, 12. Perfect. I'm going to click here. I'm going to create a new sketch. From here down here, heights are correct. In this case, we know the width is 20, and we're going to extrude it. How high we're going to extrude? We know that all the object's height is 75, and don't forget we started here, so we just want this height, which is 75 equals, if we call this height as y plus 20 plus 30. So we'll have to subtract 75 minus 50, which is 20 plus 30, to get the height of here, which is 205. Perfect. Then let's don't forget the circle here. We're going to create a new sketch and we're going to choose a circle. We know the diameter is 12, and from here to here is 16. Here to here is 16, and it's through all, as you guys see it. Perfect. So if we come to mass properties, we know that volume is 72,593 and the volume is 72,593. Perfect. That's great. That's perfect. So this is our exercise. I will be doing more exercises in the future. Every day I will try to upload new exercises. If you have any questions, feel free to ask at the comments. If you like it, that would be greatly appreciated, and subscribe it. Thank you very much. Feel free to ask any questions you have. Have a wonderful day. Bye.